right, my darlings, let's try this again. So I'm going to draw in PowerPoint because that last one was an epic failure. Also, do we have to have my face here with this pimple? I guess we do. Okay, let's start this again. Let's say I have 1 and 9 thousandths. Let's say I have 1 and 2 tenths, and I have 1 and 45 hundredths, and I have 1 and 129 thousandths. Okay, and I need to compare these. I need to order these, let's say, from least to greatest. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to very strategically place this box here. And then I'm going to bring this box to the front to cover all of the numbers. Okay, now so far, first thing, I did a great job, if I could say so myself, of lining up my decimals, right? So far, what's the greatest amount? They're all the same, they're all 1. But if I scoot this little daddy over a little bit, now I can see which is the greatest. And the greatest one, of course, is this one. 1 and whatever this 4 starts with. Let's look. It's 4,500 hundredths, right? But I can already tell that this is my greatest amount. So the easiest way to do this is kind of come over here and make a little, ooh, what's happening? Make a little star or put first, or maybe a G for greatest. I don't know if you're seeing that. That was spooky. Okay, that's supposed to be a G for greatest. All right, and turn off my draw again. And now move it over some more. Because a lot of times kids will say, oh, this one is the biggest because it has the most numbers. Well, you can see by lining them up which one is actually the biggest, right? Okay, nice job. It's going to be the same way for adding them, okay? So if I point eraser, no, that's not working. So let's just go to another slide, new slide. Okay, and let's say I need to add some decimal numbers. So same thing, making sure our decimal, I'll make it a big fat decimal, making sure our decimals are aligned. So let's say over here somebody says, you need to add 529 to 1 and 2 hundredths. Well, how are you going to do that? Well, the first thing I need to do is figure out where is this decimal on 529? It's after it, and there is nothing behind it. And of course, like I said, I could add zeros all day because it's the same as saying $529.00 or $529, right? So I would have to add the 529 here so that I could have the same number of decimals, but my decimals are lined up. Okay, let's do another one. What if I had like 2 and 3 tenths, 2 and 357 thousandths, 2 and 30 hundredths, and 2 and 301 thousandths. Okay, on your paper, what I want you to do right now is go ahead and add those up. See what you get. Let's compare answers in a second. I'm going to pause.